Recording, okay. Hi, Deepak. Very interesting, okay. Deepak, where are
Hello,
others?
don't know. Let
Arif,
me check.
Arshad, yeah,
Ariba,
please join. Hmm. All are there, both the Akifs. See, I have started sharing my screen. So I'll tell you what happened. First thing what I did is I have changed the encryption set back to the platform manage key. You see over here, I have changed it back to platform manage key. Okay. Then I went to additional settings. Then I went to additional settings. Now I see this option. So that means when we are on customer manage key, it will not allow us to encrypt the disk on a BitLocker. So now there are two options over here. Either you go with OS disk and OS and data disk. So we will go with what? OS and data disk both. So this is the keyword. I'll try using the old keyword. Select the version. Now I will click save. Now remember, this is only applicable when the machine is in the start state, not in the stop state. Machine is running. Let me copy this IP.
You're on mute.
Now it says, oh, I'm sorry. Now it says AD. You saw that? What does it say? SSC with PMK and ADE. So CMK and ADE doesn't allow. It allows what? SSC and ADE.
Can it?
Hmm. So I am now in the machine. Now I am into this PC. Now, do you see this lock?
Yes.
Yes.
Initially, there was no lock. So
Correct.
there are two types of encryption, one which is server side and one which is Azure disk side. Server side encryption, there are two options. Platform managed key is by default, and customer managed key is for first we have to be ourselves as a key vault administrator. Then we have to create a key vault. In key vault, we have to create a key, and after that, we have to enable the purge protection, and then we have to select disk encrypt. We have to create disk encryption set. This is how we have to do it. Okay, understand, guys? And for
Yes.
this side encryption, what we have to do, we have a BitLocker. If you see, I'll tell you Azure disk side encryption. This is the overview in Windows. This is the disk encryption scenarios. You go to the documentation. All right. You see scenarios on Windows VM. Create a configure a key vault. See, you will also see disk encryption troubleshooting. You will get some troubleshooting steps. Now, if you go with Linux, it has got a different. See, in Linux, you see sent OS end of life notice. Caution. So this is the dmcrypt. Dmcrypt is the name. So in Windows, how we have a BitLocker. So over there, it is a dmcrypt. Okay. So right now, I am not doing the dmcrypt in this disk encryption. All right, guys. So this was the today's practical. Any question, guys? Any question, please ask me. Deepak, Arif, Akib, Arshad bhai. Any questions, please ask me.
No, bhai.
No?
We'll check. We'll check and confirm if I have.
Fine. So with this, we only have then 1 week, 2 weeks remaining with the virtual machine. All right. So our compute would be done. So in 2 weeks, what we are going to learn the coming week, uh, we are going to learn extension and Windows init, boot diagnostic, availability set, and then we will have the images, general image, normal image. So we are going to do that. After that, we are going to do virtual machine skill set. And with that, this will be 1 week. And second week, we are going to cover the Azure web app. Web app is easy, not that difficult. And then we will move, after 2 weeks, we will move to a networking section. Okay, guys?
Yes, bhai.
Okay.
Okay. All right then. Then I will disconnect.
Thank you, bhai.
Thank you. Guys, if you
Thank
have
you,
any
Sanjay.
questions, yeah, Arif, Someone has created a user for Arif.
Yes.
Okay. Arif, are you able to log in? Have you
Yeah,
checked?
so I'll check on that. No, I haven't checked it. I'll check it today and get it closed.
Please get this closed, okay? Because I want everyone to practice. Because if you don't practice, so there is no use. Honestly, I'm telling you.
Sure.
Why I make you practice? See, I understand that some of them they are not joining the class, and some of them they told that they have got some commitment. But understand, people, I'm not sure, okay, whether you are going to watch this video or not. I'm really not sure. But I want you to practice. If you don't practice, then there would be a challenge. There is another task. Someone please upload the POC. Akib, I want Arif, Arshad bhai, Deepak bhai, upload the POC of this size encryption. I want the entire POC, okay? SOP, how you do the disk size encryption. Go through the recordings, do it, please. And please upload your CV. In CV, there is a new task that you are responsible for a disk size encryption, Azure disk encryption. You are enabling the BitLocker on it. You see this manage BitLocker. Initially, that option was not there. Now you will see the BitLocker is there. See this?
Yes.
Okay. So this lock is of BitLocker. All right. Shall we disconnect? Any questions for me?
No, bhai. Thanks.
Okay. Thanks to you, Arshad bhai.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you. Bye.